Good morning, everyone. We have our Tuesday math work now. And yesterday we looked at converting units. We looked at perimeter and we looked at area. So let's have a look at what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to do a really quick recap on conversion of units. So to go from kilometers to meters, we times by 1,000. To go from meters to centimeters, we times by 100. And centimeters to millimeters, we times by 10. Going back the other way, what's the opposite of timesing? Yeah, that's right, it's divide. So we divide 10, divide 100, and divide 1,000. So if I need to go from kilometers to meters, I have 10 kilometers and I need to times them by 1,000. So 5 times 1,000 equals, 10 times 1,000 equals 10,000. Okay, so 10 kilometers is the same as 10,000 meters. And then we're going to go from centimeters to meters. So we need to divide by 100. So 35.0 divided by 100. We need to move our decimal point. So we need to jump once, we need to jump twice, and our decimal point will go here. So our answer equals 0.35. So 35 centimeters is the same as 0.35 of a meter. That's just a quick recap on what we learned yesterday. So for your work today, you need to measure the line to the nearest millimeter. So you have a line, and on your ruler you will see it, and it'll say 0, and then 1, and then you're going to have 10 little lines in the middle, okay? And it'll keep going, and you've got 10 little lines. So if we're going to the nearest millimeter, we have 10, we have 20, okay? So just say my line comes up to here, it would be, let me just draw these all in. All right, so we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's not quite at that, so it'd be 19 millimeters. Okay. And we need to make sure that the 0 point, the very end, is at one end, and we're going to the point. Okay, so you need to use your ruler to measure the lines. Number 2, 3, and 4, you are going to convert the measurements. And number 5 and 6, you're going to say which measurement would you use. Would you use a kilometer? Would you use a millimeter? Would you use a centimeter? Look at what it is that it's asking you to measure and decide which unit of measurement you would use for it. Question 7, you need to use your ruler and find the perimeter of the shapes. So you need to measure the sides and then add the sides together. And then 8 and 9, you need to draw the shapes that they've asked you to make and make sure that the perimeter is correct. Okay, and then you need to label the lengths of each side. And that is your work for today.